أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Brother Sayyid Numan from the Muslim Students Association at the University of Michigan Dearborn. If you guys are watching this video, the Muslim Students Association would like to welcome all of you to the fall 2021 semester. We are resuming after a gap of a year, and some of us are back in hybrid format classes, some of us are back in person, and some of us are still continuing our in-person classes. I would like to welcome all of you to the campus back again, and at the same time, I would want to take this opportunity to convey to all of you that are watching this video and your students at University of Michigan Dearborn that the MSA is here to assist you in your journey and process of returning back to the campus. And if you need time adjusting to campus, if you're a freshman, you're a transfer student, or you're a graduate student, the Muslim Students Association wants to welcome you, wants to ensure that your journey at University of Michigan Dearborn is a smooth one and a successful one, and that the MSA can continue to benefit you in some way or another. And once you leave this campus, your experience here with the Muslim Students Association and at the University of Michigan Dearborn campus is beneficial in some regard. So in regards with that, I would like to tell you as well that if there's in any way that the MSA could be of assistance to you folks, please feel free to reach out to us in any way or manner possible. Our social media accounts would be mentioned in the description, inshallah, or the comment section of this video, inshallah. Furthermore, I would like to also address that doing Jummah on campus has become harder because of the university restricting the amount of spaces that we can reserve for Jummah. So in order to make up for it, in order to try to make up for the lack of Jummah on campus, we are trying to start this Jummah video series, in which we will try to give you short reminders and short Nasiya, which can possibly help you in your life, in your daily struggles as you go through campus and life here at the University of Michigan Dearborn. And at the same time, we give you something beneficial to go with. Since this is your first week, this is more of like an introduction. So with that being put aside, my short Nasiya, I would really like to keep it short for this week. I would like you to spend this week more like adjusting yourselves and following the MSA on the respective social media accounts and reaching out to the MSA, joining the WhatsApp chat and joining the respective group chats that we have. And so you guys can get in touch with the MSA board specifically and continue your, and get in touch with us first. And then, we can move forward with the process. As for the short Nasiya, once again, as Muslims, we look to the life of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, and we look to the seerah for guidance. And we know that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ in his lifetime took the journey of, did the hijrah. He migrated from the city of Makkah to the city of Medina, which back then was known as Yathrib. So, it goes without saying, I'm sure that some of the viewers that are listening to this video understand the journey and the story better than me. So once again, to keep it short, we all know the story of the Ansar and the Muhajirin, how when the Muhajirin came to the city of Medina, how the Ansar took care of them, how they split their property and their wealth to help the Muhajirin brothers settle in and settle in and help them settle in and become a part of the community and move forward and progress together. So with that thought in mind, I would also like to urge everyone who watches this video to help the respective freshman, to help the respective transfer student, to help the respective international graduate student who's come to campus, help them understand the campus life, help them understand life in the US, and how they can settle in and be helped with each and every little thing, something as little as guiding them to the right classroom, or something as big as in telling them which masjid they could attend, where they could get their groceries, how they can get their groceries, things like that. So that would be my reminder for you guys for now. Hopefully starting in the weeks that come, we will try our best to make Jummah happen on campus. If Jummah happens on campus, those will be the weeks where you will most likely not see these videos being uploaded on YouTube. But inshallah, as we try our best to make sure the Jummah happens on campus, the weeks in which we are unable to do Jummah on campus due to circumstances beyond the MSA's control, we will continue to upload these videos and continue to give these short reminders so you guys continue to remember and continue to feel a part and stay a part of the MSA. So and I would like to finally say Jazakallah, and thank you so much to all of you guys for sticking with the MSA, trusting in the MSA, and continuing and choosing to be a part of the MSA and continue this journey of your life and at the University of Michigan Dearborn with the MSA. To the international graduate students, I really commend you guys on your the struggle that you have undertaken, the journey that you have undertaken of coming all the way to the US and pursuing your education. I wish each and every one of you, the undergrad, senior transfer students, the international graduate students, all graduate students, the best. Wish you all guys all the best and success. And once again, if you guys ever need anything, feel free to reach out to the MSA and we will assist you as best as we can within the scope of our resources and capabilities. So Jazakallah khair, please take care, stay safe, and inshallah, hopefully we will see each other with an in-person Jummah. If not so, then you will see me again or someone else in front of the camera with another Jummah reminder and Nasiya. So Jazakallah khair and Assalamu alaikum. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayka. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.